So next thing I gotta do is mount an electrical box to the right of that stud. You can see that line there. That's centered. That line there, that's centered over the vanity. So I cut that stud, patch it on the left, put in a shim there on the right. So now that box is centered. I gotta mount it. So here I marked 2 spots on this electrical box where I want to put screws in there to mount to the stud. So then I marked 2 spots on this side. Let's show I'm going to drill it from the outside. Let's get it going here. Got it. So when I'm drilling metal like this, I use successively larger bits to get the diameter that I want on the hole. So now I got these holes to accommodate the screw I'm going to use to mount the box to the stud. And I marked the spot where we'll put the 2 screws, so I'll drill it here. Alright, now I'm ready to set the first screw. Got it. Alright, now I got the electrical box installed, and I put some backing right here so I can put the drywall patch here and then one over here.